What's up everybody, Mike here, aka North Established, and welcome back to Chicago. What's going on guys, Mike here, aka North Established, and welcome to episode 2 of the street photography series in Chicago. And in this video, I'm going to be going out in the streets of Chicago. Actually, this is part 2 of the part 1 that I did a couple weeks ago when it was snowing in Chicago. I was recording all day and the footage was so large that I could have recorded it into one huge video, but I kind of broke it apart into 4 parts. So this is actually part 2 of the series of when it snowed in Chicago. But I don't get into too much talking. I really want to jump into the video. But in this video, we are going to be going out doing some street photography, as well as my buddy Brian, who is a local photographer in the city of Chicago. He's also very talented, guys. You go check out his Instagram down below in the description. Yeah, we just got out and just took some pictures. You know, we were out all day long, and yeah, we're catching a lot of great shots. And I will also be showcasing his photos too as well in this video. So guys, you need to go check out his Instagram out, give him a follow, give him some likes, you know what I'm saying, show him some love. And one more thing guys, before we get into the video guys, also if you're guys new to the channel, you just stumble upon the video, give me a subscribe, you know what I'm saying, it helps me a whole lot. It allows me to make more videos like this for the future, and as well as hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps me out a whole lot, it really does guys. All right, I'm not getting too much talking, guys. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Good. Let's continue. Well, the second one's better. The second one is nice. We got another hoodie.
Now what?
Can't let a guy have first. He says, say, oh no, by the way, can't keep following the fit.
You're already starting already, man. You're already starting already. Oh man, how many shots you got over here, man?
Huh?
How many shots you got already?
Since the car, 77.
No, I'm not lying to you. I got at least like more than like 60. I was like over there along the bridge underneath the path. I was like, oh, there's so many good shots, man.
So yeah, this is like my favorite time to shoot. It's not too cold, snowing,
It's perfect.
moody.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping for. Now the trip is perfect now. It's perfect.
So I text Katie.
Yeah, no,
she's busy.
Yeah, she's busy, yeah.
And then I text my friend Brittany. She tested positive for COVID, so she.
Dang. Well, I hit Gabby up. She might be here probably 3-ish.
Okay.
So maybe around that time, 3 or 4-ish, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll be out late anyway, shooting, because as long as, yeah, so it's fine.
Where you want to go?
Where'd
you go from?
Huh?
Which way you
I was that way. Actually, I need one shot from you. Actually, I was waiting for somebody to like get in frame.
Okay.
So I need you to search it real quick.
Okay.
By the way, we'll follow you where we're gonna go. Honestly, I actually want to go more down this way. I went further down this way yet.
Okay.
I like the lighting here. It's really good. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, so I want to get someone like between this frame here.
Okay.
On the other side. It used to be like natural, like on the other. Oh no, I was gonna get like through the glass actually. See how the lighting is?
Right here or on the side of the street?
Probably on that side there. Let me see. Right there's fine. Yeah. Doing non-focus.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, I do I like the light.
That's so I saw that too. I was like, I need someone in frame for that one. All right, cool. All right, no, I can follow you. See where we're gonna go.
All right, we go this way.
All right, cool.
There's some good views this way. I was coming from looking towards this way.
Okay. Alright, and that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much if you made it this far at the end of the video. Once again, if you haven't seen part 1 yet, I'm going to leave part 1 at the end of the video, at the end card here. You're going to see it somewhere here. on the screen when you go to the end credits, or it'll also be down below in the description below, guys, if you haven't seen part 1 yet. As well as give Brian a follow on Instagram, like his photos. He's really talented. He's really great at what he does with the Nikon camera. As well as, before you guys go, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, guys. I want YouTube to spread this video out far and wide to everyone so they can feel inspired to go out and shoot and do photography, because that's what it's all about. You know, don't worry about the rule of thirds, don't worry about X, Y, and Z, just go out and shoot. You know, to go out there and have fun, whether you live in a big city or a small city, doesn't matter. And as well as subscribe to the channel, guys. It helps me out a whole lot so I can create more content like this for all of you. But yeah, I can't wait for part 3, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video and sticking to the end. I will see y'all in the next episode. Peace.